Hey guys, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. I did some more testing over the weekend with our Viewtron 180 IP camera that you see mounted there behind me. And the reason why I came in over the weekend is I wanted our parking lot to be more empty up here because I wanted to test the distance at which the AI software that's built into that 180 camera can detect cars entering our parking lot. And it's just easier on the weekend here when all these cars aren't here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I logged into the Viewtron NVR that IP camera is connected to and set up an intrusion zone out here in front of our office. And then I'm going to drive my truck around the back of the warehouse and come in way at the far end of our plaza here and see at what point the camera actually detects the vehicle entering the intrusion zone. So we're logged into the Viewtron NVR now, and this is the initial intrusion zone that we had set up, but I'm going to revise that. So I'm going to go into the settings here and then select perimeter detection under the AI event section. And then I'm going to select the Viewtron 180 camera from this menu up here. And then it's intrusion detection that we're setting up. So I'm going to select intrusion, and this was already set up, but I'm going to clear this intrusion zone and make it much bigger because I want to see at what point the camera actually detects my truck entering an intrusion zone. I want to see what like the effective distance is. So I'm going to make this polygon huge. I'm going to extend it all the way out. And I know it's not going to detect vehicles way out there, but I want to see at what point it works. So the end of our plaza is 400 feet away, by the way. So you'll see in a minute when I go through the demo that although the vehicle's not detected at that distance, this camera can see that far. So anyways, I'm drawing the intrusion zone now. And then I'm going to set the detection target. I'll apply that first. I'm going to set the detection target only to vehicles. I'm not doing any human object detection or non-motor vehicle detection, which is basically bicycles and scooters. So just motor vehicles. Click apply there. And then I just want to show you when objects are detected, in addition to triggering recording on that camera, which is what I set up right there, you can set up snapshot, mobile push notifications, alarm buzzers, and all of these other types of alarms. You can also trigger the alarm output ports on this camera or on any of the DVR ports or any of the other IP cameras. So I'm going to click apply there. And then when I exit out of this, I'll be back at the live view of the camera. And then you can see the new intrusion zone that I set up. I actually expanded it even a bit further. So in a minute, you'll see me walk out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive around the back of the plaza so that I can enter on that far north side, that furthest distance in that intrusion zone. And after I back out and start going around the back of the building, I'll speed up the video. Actually, I'll cut that portion out so we don't wait too long. So that when the intrusion zone turns red, it detected an object entering or exiting the intrusion zone. Okay, so I'm going to speed things up here and cut out a portion of this video, and you'll see in a second my truck at that far north side come around the corner. You should see me in a sec. So there I am right there, way in the distance, coming around the corner. And then let's see at what point the camera actually detects the vehicle. That's what I want to record here. I want to document like the effective distance for vehicle object detection using the AI software. So as soon as the rectangle or the polygon rather turns red, which right there, so I'll pause it there for a second. So right there is where the camera actually detected my truck. And you can see it tracking me there. And again, I'll enter the intrusion zone again here, and the polygon turns red. So I'm just going to park and get out here. And actually, I'm going to go and get our wheel measurer so I can measure that distance. So I'm going to go inside and grab our wheel measurer. and then I'm going to measure like directly below where the camera is installed, and I'll speed things up here as I walk out to that point at which the vehicle was detected. So it was right at the edge of this little island formation in our parking lot right here, and it was 124 feet. So there again is where the camera's AI software did the vehicle detection, and that was 124 feet away from where the camera is mounted. The camera's mounted about 12 and a half feet high, so just call it about 130 feet away.
Guys, thanks for watching the video demo. I'll mention a couple other things before I wrap up. That camera has two 5-megapixel lenses that are stitched together for that 180-degree field of view. And it creates a single 8-megapixel IP camera. It uses one IP address, one PoE port on the back of the Viewtron NVR that's in our office there. It's hardwired using a Cat6 network cable. If you have any questions about this 180 security camera, any of our other Viewtron AI cameras, or anything in general related to security camera systems, you can email me directly anytime at mike@viewtron.com. If you want to see my other videos that I made with this 180 camera and learn more about it, I made demos when I was in Colorado, remotely accessing it from the Viewtron mobile app, as well as the desktop software for Mac and Windows. It worked really good. You can see all those video demos and learn more at www.viewtron.com/180. Thank you for watching.